Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you're here. Today I have my Macy's unboxing and my Ipsy unboxing for March. I can't believe March is almost over. Like, it's spring break, yay! I'm so excited about that. Definitely need it. The past few weeks have been absolutely insane. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen my post on February 28th about the Walmart beauty box. Yeah, let's talk Walmart for just a minute. So, thousands of customers on the 28th of February, they made a clerical error and then started charging people for one box at $6.98 plus tax. They charged people for 100 boxes at $6.98 plus tax. So they charged my bank account over $760. Because here's the fun part. I had changed my address. I keep changing my address. And they keep changing it back to my parents' house. Don't know why. You know, I know I changed it. And I was supposed to get my winter box here. And it didn't come. It was sent to my parents' house. And it was only because I had an influencer that didn't know about that I got my Walmart beauty box. So I contacted them about, well, being charged that massive amount of money. Also the address, they didn't address the address part of it, but they did say, oh, we're gonna get it fixed this, 3 to 5 days. They did finally get it fixed. So this happened February 28th, which was a Tuesday. And by Friday I had the money refunded, which was good because that was actually payday. So, yeah, but I know a lot of people were really upset because they had bills to pay on the first mortgages, rent that was due, and they had no money. And I went to my bank and I said, I thought I had it turned off so that I couldn't be overdrawn like this for a debit purchase. But because it was a recurring charge that they had done multiple times, they allowed it through. It didn't count as like a regular debit card transaction, which really sucked. Luckily, my parents had gotten their retirement for payment and their mortgage. They have flexible, like they don't get a late fee until like the middle of the month. So they were able to lend me money from Tuesday through Friday so that I wouldn't be overdrawn. I wouldn't get any bank fees. I wouldn't, overdraft fees. I had a couple subscriptions coming out on the first. Those were covered. So thank goodness. I'm so grateful that they were able to do that. But honestly, if you're getting a $7 a quarter box from Walmart, you're probably, I would think a lot of the people subscribing don't have, $700 just sitting in their bank account, not doing anything. And if they do have that much money, they're probably going to have it in a savings account or something, that's generating more interest than a bank account. So that was a whole ordeal. They also told me I was supposed to be getting a $100 Walmart gift card. I have not seen that. I've been checking my junk mail every single day. The only thing I've seen have been like, do this survey and you get this money, and you can tell they're obviously a scam. They're not from a Walmart email. So I need to email them again and be like, hey, I have not seen this. We're also supposed to get free boxes, the spring box for free and the summer box for free. I'm really nervous because, I haven't canceled because I want my free boxes. That's the least they could do after causing all that stress. And it actually cost me a student, I think, because I had told a student I could meet with them and they never got back to me till, Tuesday morning, like right at the time that I saw that. And so I was on the phone with the banks and I was like, I'm sorry, I've had an emergency come up. I can't make it to do a Zoom at this time because I'm in the bank. I'm rarely going to make it to class on time. And, I live in a different city. And so I'm not going to be Zooming as I drive. That would not be safe. So yeah, I haven't heard from her. And I've sent her a couple emails and I'm like, hey, I'm sorry, I really did have an emergency. When you're massively overdrawn through no fault of your own and you're talking to the bank and trying to make sure that they know that if it doesn't get reversed, they need that you want to file a claim on it and everything because they couldn't do anything till it went all the way through. So many things, so many issues. So if you were ever thinking Walmart, don't get it. I'm still going to like talk about the next 2 boxes, but then I definitely will cancel because that was just such a horrendous experience, and it wasn't that great of a box. It was okay, but it wasn't like fantastic. I'm going to be like sorely missing it if I don't get it. Let's turn to happier things and let's look at my Ipsy and Macy's. So we have Ipsy this month. This pattern reminds me of Epcot, and then there's like, I think this is supposed to be like Athena on it. I'm not really sure. It's some goddess. I don't know if it's supposed to be Roman or Greek, but speaking of Greek gods, have you watched Shazam! Fury of the Gods? I love Zachary Levi, so I was very excited when that film came out. My mom and I went to it opening night because she was like, we have to go. And I was like, okay. She didn't enjoy it as much as me. It's not as good as the first one. I absolutely love the first one. But it was still good, and I still enjoyed it. But it's fun because Helen Mirren's playing a god, and Lucy Liu and Rachel Ziegler. It was fun. Anyway, we have this month's box. Does it tell me? It doesn't tell me who is on the cover of that. So, oh, and it does say the icon box instead of Ipsy Glambe X, I guess. Let's look at here. I'm pulling out PEAR Nova, Lunar Lip Stylo and Falling Star. This is a full-size retails for $18.50. That seems like a lot for a lip liner. I don't know. I've never heard of PEAR Nova. Why do I keep wanting to call it Nouveau? I don't know. Let me know if you have. Okay, that's an okay color. It's a little peachy for my tastes, little pale, but hopefully we can make it work. I think I could probably layer it with the lip balm, which is what I've been doing. And I do like this style for my purse. It's much easier because I'll do like a lip liner with lip balm over it. That's what I've been doing lately, trying to use up some of my lip liners. Then we have from ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the clear brow gel. And this is 2.5 mil. I don't really know what size that is. This feels way heavier than, I think that the cap is way heavier than it used to be. Anyway, this says it's a deluxe sample and the full size retails for $22. I will definitely use that. That's what I've been using. That's what I have in my brows right now. I have like the little teeny tiny sample, and that doesn't give you a lot of product when you put it on. Then we have Hey Honey Make a Splash Intense Hydrating Aqua Serum, moisture enhancer with honey and vitamin E, and the price on this one is $49 for 45 mils. This is 10 mil, so about a fourth. I do love this brand. This is Dionysus. This is the goat milk hand cream, and this is in the scent Nutty Vanilla. The retail for this is $12 for a full size. They say this is a sample size. That's interesting because I've only seen them sold that size like at Ulta and Costco. That's where I've seen them. And then the last thing in here is from MISCHO Beauty, and this is a blush in Madam, and the full size of this is $41. Hopefully the packaging is better because this feels super cheap. It's kind of just a neutral blush shade. I cannot imagine paying $41 for this blush. I mean, that's up there with like Pat McGrath prices. It went on really nice and it felt really smooth though. So I think this is a pretty good month. I like the bag. The blush is a pretty nice color. I will use everything. So that's impressive. Like I will actually use everything in this month's bag, which I can't always say. So good job, Ipsy. Let's see if Macy's can top you or match you. Okay, we have the card here. I have not looked at it. And then we have the packet here. This month our $5 gift card off of 20, which is, I like when they do 10 off of 40. It feels a little bit better. And most of the stuff I want is more expensive as it is. So first up, I have something from Nude Sticks, Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. So I don't like these. I don't like how they feel on my skin. I don't like how they wear usually. So probably going to pass this one along. The shade is Nudity. I think it's kind of like, you know, champagne-y color, I guess. This retails for $26 for a full size. I'm going to leave it sealed since I don't think it's going to be something I'm going to use. Like, I don't want to contaminate it. Then we have something from Laura Geller. This is a Prep Stick Lip Scrub. Okay, I haven't seen anything. I didn't know they carried Laura Geller. This looks like it might be a full size, actually. That's a pretty good size. Says Prep Stick Lip Scrub. Oh. This smells like something from my childhood. Some like lip balm. I swear it smells like some lip balm from my childhood. I can't place it though. The retail for this is $21. Let's see how it feels on the skin. Okay, it actually feels like it has a little scrub to it. Oh my gosh. I love the scent of this one so much. Ridiculous, I know, but I do. Okay, the next thing I pulled out is from Rachel Zoe. This is Fearless. It's one of her perfumes. She's done 4 of them, and I do have travel sizes in all 4 of them because I did purchase them when they were like $12.50 a piece. This one retails for $70 for a full size. That's ridiculous. I will be passing this one along because I remember not loving any of them enough to, I don't need a sample of it. So I will pass this along to somebody who's interested in trying one of her fragrances. I know they're also they were on Scentbird. I don't know if they're still on Scentbird, but yeah, just okay. So this must be in place of the bag this month. It looks like paper of some sort. So it does have a little Velcro. I feel like the Velcro is going to rip off pretty easily. And there's sticky notes. Okay, that's kind of cute. They say you are amazing. Yeah, they all say the same thing. Oh, no, it doesn't. You are amazing. Dream, believe, achieve. Anything is possible. But they have like a chemical smell to them, which is weird. I will use them. I love sticky notes. I use sticky notes all the time. Like sometimes Macy's, what they include instead of a gift bag or a makeup bag just makes no sense. Like that's just seems weird to me. Next up we have from Korres. This is the foaming cream cleanser, the Greek yogurt. I actually like this cleanser, so I'm happy to have a sample of it. This retails for $28. I think I actually have a full size as part of my project pan. I don't think I've used it yet. I think it's coming up in my project pan. I have the box of all my project pan stuff, but I'm pretty sure that's in my project pan, but I definitely will use that. Then we have from Stylo. This is the shade Bezos. This is like such an iconic shade. This retails for $22 for a full size. I do already own this, and I own the shimmer version of this too, so I will pass this along because there's only so much red lipstick you can use, and it's not something that I want to, like, I don't feel like if I ever finish it, I'm going to want it again because I have so many red lipsticks, like ridiculous. Yeah. And then the last thing, this is the ABH Clear Brow Gel. This is another little tiny one. This is what I'm currently using. Here you go. That's the difference in size from, they used to send this one. This was the sample size, like for everyone. And then now they're sending this size out. Really funny. Like I was not expecting to get it in both boxes this month. Interesting. I wish they would told me an exact total on Ipsy. It says it's valued at $50 plus. This one says the value was at $63.73. And like I said already, that full size of the ABH Clear Brow Gel is $22. So let's recap it really fast. Okay, I miss the days when they did 2 fragrance samples. I don't know. I feel like they're trying to experiment, and I really liked how they used to do it. Let me know what your thoughts are on Ipsy and Macy's. Like, let me know. Anyway, I will keep half of the stuff, and I will pass along half of the stuff. So, the lipstick I already have. I'll pass that along. Eyeshadow stick, not my thing. We'll pass it along. Perfume sample. I already own the perfume. It's not one that I feel like I need a second sample of. So I will pass those along. I will keep the note cards, and excited about the lip scrub and the cleanser. I will definitely use those, and this is practical. Like I will definitely use the Clear Brow Gel at some point. So practical-ish stuff. Not nearly, I don't know, not as exciting as the Ipsy. I think Ipsy definitely won. I feel like that was one of the better bags I've gotten lately. Anyway, let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy. Let me know what your thoughts were on Macy's. At least there's no substitutions. That's always good. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.